Good afternoon everyone. This is our project Ria Manvari Greens at Ankurhati Bazar beside Delhi Public School, Mega City, and you can see this is a 3 BHK actual apartment at block number 4 and floor number 7. So we are standing on the 7th floor, and you can see this is the living cum dining area of this brand new apartment. So beautiful living cum dining, hefty space, excellent utilization of space. Now come inside. So right now it's 6 p.m. but still light is perfect, and you can see this is a kitchen space with L pattern countertop along with this big window, and the size of this kitchen is approximately 8 feet by 8 feet, and just opposite to that this is the first bedroom, and the size of this first bedroom is approximately 11 feet by 10 feet. It's a rectangle shaped first bedroom. And come this side, just opposite to that this is the common toilet space. So this is the common toilet space, and beside that this is the second bedroom. So come inside the second bedroom. So we are entering into the second bedroom. Both the side you will be having windows. This is the second bedroom having a size of 11 feet by 11 feet, almost a square size second bedroom, and see the view outside from the second floor. So you can clearly see our complex, and I am zooming in. So this is the main road, and our project is on main road. It's Ankurhati main road or Howrah Amta main road, and this is our complex boundary, you can see. And let's see the green view, and just let me zoom in. You can also see this is Solok crossing this side. So just 2.3 kilometers from Solok crossing. And now come this side. We are moving towards the third bedroom or master bedroom. So this is the third bedroom entry along with this attached toilet space, and see the bedroom. So this bedroom is having a size of 12 feet by 11 feet with a very big size window like this one, and another cross ventilation window. So it's a beautiful flat with a mind-blowing wind from the window because it's 7th floor. So hope you like this video, and this is the internal complex view, and you can see also the mandir and the children's play area from this apartment, and these are the internal roads of the complex, and this is the external elevation of the building. So beautiful external elevation of this building. So thanks a lot for watching. If you are interested for this apartment, then please call as early as possible because we are having very limited number of units currently. It's already ready to move in condition. So hope you like this. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe for further updates.